Let's learn about letter H.
The letter H represents the sound. How to make the sound? To make the sound, start by opening your mouth slightly. Keep your tongue relaxed and low in your mouth. Then, push air out gently through your open mouth while making a breathy sound. Now, say the sound. You can stretch out the sound like this.
Say the word hat slowly and listen to the sound of the letter H at the beginning. Practice saying hat and notice how your breath feels when you make that sound.
Sound can also be heard at the beginning of words like hot, hill, and hop.
Place your hand on your throat as you say.
Huh.
And notice there is no vibration. This happens because is an unvoiced sound.
Let's practice.
Huh. Huh.
House. House.
Huh. Huh.
Horse. Horse.
Huh. Huh.
Hat. Hat.
Huh. Huh.
Hen. Hen.
Let's write.
To write an uppercase H, start by making a straight line down on the left side. Then, draw another straight line down on the right side. Finally, draw a horizontal line connecting the two vertical lines in the middle. Now you have an uppercase H.
Down. Down. Across. Down. Down. Across.
To write a lowercase h, start by making a straight line down. Then, go to the middle and draw a curve to the right and up, and finish by making another straight line down. That's how you write a lowercase h.
Down. Curve. Down. Down. Curve. Down.
Awesome work, little learners. Today, we learned the letter H with hat, horse, house, and hen. Keep practicing and let your learning shine bright like a happy heart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for the next fun letter. Wow! See you soon!
Twinkle Dream Kids!